Hello y'all, so this is my EdPuzzle that I made. This is Thomas Jefferson biography. You can see you got the due date right here, April 17th. I have the skipping enabled here, or disabled, so that way they can't skip through the video. And I'm going to show you the student view of the video here. So it immediately starts with an audio thing that I made, just giving some brief biographical details of things that happened before what is talked about in this video. I will also demonstrate how the video cannot be skipped on here. Here's some background information on Thomas Jefferson. He was born April 13th, 1743 in Virginia. He was educated at the College of William and Mary and studied law with George Wythe. After that, he practiced law from 1767 to 1775 in Virginia. During that time, he married Martha Skelton.
In 1774, he drafted an extraordinarily
So you can see I can't skip this stuff here. So
British America that justified the right of Americans to be self-governed.
As a delegate to the Second Continental Congress, Jefferson was selected to write the first draft of the Declaration of Independence, which he finished in June 1776.
John Adams chose Jefferson to write the Declaration of Independence because he was such a fan of Jefferson's literary style. And Jefferson, who was only 33 years old at the time, managed to write it in 7.
Okay, so the first question here is a free response. Who did Jefferson work with in the creation of the Declaration of Independence? That'd be John Adams. We'll submit and keep going.
17 days.
The United States was the first country to declare its independence from a colonizing power in the modern age. And this document became a model for declarations of independence all over the world for 2 centuries.
During the Revolutionary War, Jefferson returned to Virginia, where he was elected to the Virginia House of Burgesses and served 2 terms as governor.
While serving in the state legislature, Jefferson wrote the Statute of Virginia for Religious Freedom. This became the basis for the drafting of the First Amendment.
So this one is, select the right answer. What was the topic of the work that he wrote during his term as governor? Which is religious freedom. Submit and continue.
Thomas Jefferson then succeeded Benjamin Franklin as minister to France, before becoming President George Washington's Secretary of State in 1789.
Thomas Jefferson had a bit of a bumpy ride as Secretary of State, ultimately resigned in 1793 because he had major political and ideological conflicts with the Secretary of the Treasury, Alexander Hamilton.
In 1800, Thomas Jefferson was elected 3rd President of the United States after the House of Representatives broke an electoral tie with Aaron Burr.
The election of 1800 was such a contested election that could have ended in civil war, but it did not. It was resolved through democratic means, and the American experiment survived.
This was the first peaceful transfer of power between opposing parties in Western history.
All right, and then this one's my true or false question. The election of Thomas Jefferson was the first instance of a peaceful transition of power. That is true, because that's what he just said. And you can see, here's my picture. Just thumbs up, because yay! And we'll continue.
During his presidency, he cut the nation's debt in half, protected U.S. interests abroad by sending the U.S. Navy to deal with the Barbary pirates, and doubled the size of the United States with the Louisiana Purchase from France in 1803.
They commissioned Meriwether Lewis and William Clark to go and explore that territory. And the expedition of Lewis and Clark remains one of the great exploring sagas of all of American history.
After Jefferson's second term, after he left office, he became very involved in founding the University of Virginia, the first secular university in the United States. He designed the campus, and he became its first rector or provost.
Jefferson died on July 4th, 1826, the 50th anniversary of the Declaration of Independence, and the same day John Adams died.
Jefferson wanted to be remembered for 3 things. He ordered them carved on his tombstone. Author of the Declaration of Independence, and of the Statute of Virginia for Religious Freedom, and father of the University of Virginia.
All right, and here's my last part. This is a two-part question. So first, what three things did Jefferson want to be remembered for? To be father of the University of Virginia, author of the Declaration of Independence, and author of the Statute of Virginia for Religious Freedom. Second part is, why do you think he wanted to be remembered for these three things? And I'm just going to put, because they're important. Now, I would expect a student to give a more detailed answer than that, but for the sake of the video, I'm keeping it brief. And that's the video right there. So then I go up here to my classes, and I'm going to self-grade me real quick. So John Adams, that is, it's correct. Good job. And with the second one, since I just didn't put any detail, I'm going to put just a lower grade here, asking for more detail. All right. And so then, that's all of those. So I go up here to back to the video here, and I can export the grades here by downloading the grades. Push download here, and the Excel spreadsheet should pop up. Let's see if it'll come up here. Oh, yep, there it is. And so then they're just exported into a different file here. Pulled up so you can have it all in one place, and you can program that result into whatever grade calculator you are using. So I believe that's all the points I need to cover. So there's my assignment there. As soon as this opens up, there we go.